Hi, I'm Beck and food's my life. In today's video, I'm going to make a slice that the kids are going to love, and the big kids too, and it's coming right up. So today I'm making my Oreo bubble slice. It's a perfect slice to take for kids' parties. It's a little bit on the sweet side, but if you've got a sweet tooth, you're gonna love it. So the first step is to grab a saucepan, go to your stovetop and put it on a low to medium heat. In my saucepan here I have 60 grams of Kofa. To this I'm going to add 100 grams of white cooking chocolate and 1 can of condensed milk. Now I'm going to keep an eye on this and I'm going to stir it for about 4 to 5 minutes until all these 3 ingredients are melted together, nice and smooth. For the next step, I have 2 packets of Oreo biscuits that I've roughly chopped in a large mixing bowl. To this, I'm going to add 1 cup of rice bubbles, half a cup of desiccated coconut, and 1/3 cup of milk powder. Just use a spatula to give this all a good mix. So next I'm bringing over my melted chocolate mixture and I'm going to add it to our dry ingredients. Now give this all a thorough mix. Now here I have lined a slice tin, and this is an 18 by 23 centimetre slice tin, just with a bit of baking paper. I'm going to put the mixture in my tin and press it down firmly. Once I do that, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator until it's nice and firm. Okay, so now that my slice has set, it's time to decorate the top. So I have melted 200 grams of milk chocolate and I'm going to pour this over the top of my slice. Using a spatula, just try and smooth this out as best you can so it covers the top quite evenly. So with the spoon, I'm just going to take some spoonfuls of white chocolate, and here and there, I'm just going to let my white chocolate fall onto the milk chocolate. Like so. Next, I'm going to use a skewer to drag through the chocolate so I create a marbled effect on top of my slice. There. That's a pretty good looking slice. Now I'm going to pop it back in the fridge so that the chocolate sets before I slice it into pieces. So here's the end product. My lovely little slices of Oreo bubble slice, and I've topped them with a little bit of ganache and stuck a little mini Oreo on each slice. So if you want to have a go at making my Oreo bubble slice, why don't you check out the description box below. From there you'll find a link to my website and you can go ahead and print out the recipe. If you've enjoyed the video today, give me a thumbs up, or better still, subscribe. That way you always know what I'm up to in the kitchen. And I'll see you next time.